This tutorial is for Glock 17 Gen 3. You don't want to change your slide and you want to go the cheapest route. This is the way to go. So we're going to use the DPP adapter dovetail, and we're going to use the Vortex Venom with 3 MOA. So 3 MOA is the red dot. If you got 6, it's a bigger than that. So without further ado, let's get into it. So we're going to knock this off the rear sight. So I'm going to put the link on the description down below how to strip a gun. So once you got the slide out, we're gonna put the slide to the vice grip, and I'm gonna put a cloth over it so it won't get damaged. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna knock off the rear sight, and then we're gonna put the DPP dovetail on top of it. So I'm using this tool at home. It's like a chisel, and I start banging on this thing. Okay, rear side is out, and once it's out, there's the look of that. And then I'm gonna put a link on the description below where you can get this DPP titanium dovetail. Alright, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna slide that in. So the long side facing forward, okay? You know what I'm talking about? So you're gonna slide it up, and then it's not gonna go no further, which is good, okay? That's a good sign. So we're gonna bang it towards that way. So I'm gonna put in the vice grip again, and I'm gonna start tapping it. So this time I didn't protect the titanium plate and then start chirping out. So I'm gonna put a cloth over it and then start banging it. So now I think I got it all even out. And now we're gonna install those 2 screws that came with DPP to hold down the plate and the slide, so you know it won't be moving around when you start shooting. Alright, make sure they're flush. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put this Venom Vortex 3 MOA. I'm gonna put the link on the description down below where I got this at. It came with a battery, so we're gonna put the battery in. So it came with this tool. I don't like this because the battery is right by the sight. So we're gonna lefty loosey to put the battery in. Alright, let me take this off. Lefty loosey. Now it's out. We're gonna put the battery in facing down. Okay, you can read the lithium cell CR blah blah blah. So put the cover in and then tighten them up. So now turn the arrow up, click it. You see the red dot? I mean it's big because it's close to an object. So what we're gonna do, you see there's 4 holes. It goes to there. All right, it will sit in there, nice and tight. Okay, blow. So now it came with the Venom screws, so you're gonna use it for Venom. There are 2 screws up in there. You're gonna tie them up. So once that's tied them up, what you're gonna do is we're gonna put the barrel in, slide them in, slide them down. Now we're gonna put the recoil spring, the pointy facing outside, and the flat one. Make sure you push it down all the way down to the groove, just like that. Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna slide the slider to the receiver, just like that. Blow. Okay, I'm gonna shoot it to the safe direction. This is what it looks like now. It looks good, huh? Yeah, boy. Glock 17 Gen 3 with red dot by Vortex Venom. I'll put the link on the description where you can get this at. Hope you like this video. Peace.